So as you saw our previous video, we did the PDI of the car, our first experiences with the car also, and we had a terrible experience at the Mahindra Service Center. We almost got stranded on the road because they didn't even give us enough petrol to reach the petrol pump. Well, today we are going to protect our car from scratches of Indian roads. Today I am here with
My name is Raman, and I am the heart and soul of this place. The place called the Wheelsforce Detailing Studio. So basically, we are having all top brands under the one roof, like 3M, XPEL, Lumar, and Stick. And along with it, yeah, for the entry level Garware also. So you can just go ahead and see we are going to have a comparison of these three typhoons of the PPF industry, so that the people can see why they should opt for the brand, not only for the warranty, because there are like lot of Chinese brand which they are claiming that they will gonna run till the 10 years on your car. But in real life, I will show you a demonstration by doing it in an extreme test, so that you can see for which particular brand variant you should opt for. Thank you so much.
So basically, today we are putting a paint protection film on our car, and we are going to see a live demonstration of how these paint protection films protect our car. There are various varieties, and even I didn't know, even though I'm really good at research and all, I didn't know about the variations in brand quality, but today we are going to see a practical live demonstration. We are going to be absolutely attacking these PPF sheets and seeing which one actually holds up, and we'll be choosing the PPF for our XUV 7XO accordingly.
So, so of course, in real life, we usually don't see these kind of stuff. It's just for the extreme testing
These
we are
are
doing it.
real metal brushes. These are the things that can really spoil your day if you have a nice looking car. So now we are going to test how these PPFs hold up. Now just note these are metal bristles rubbing against the PPF. As you can see, this is the first one. What's the company?
Garware titanium.
The
And
first one is Garware Titanium. This is the top of the line Garware PPF.
second one is Saint Gobain Sapphire Plus.
This is of another company called Saint Google.
So guys, you can already see the difference between these both. You can already see there is a lot of spider webs on it. But along with it, you are also noticing some scratches, but it is not like that much as the Garware titanium. And this film is a bit cheaper than the Garware titanium also.
Did you hear that? This one is cheaper than this, and this is top of the line with lifetime warranty. But if you look at the damage inflicted on this one, I can feel it too. It's not something that you can rub off. This is real damage, and this is much more than you would ever get in real life. And this is almost at the point that it rubs off, and even the ones which don't rub off are barely showing up. And now we'll move on to the XPEL one. Are you seeing this, everyone? This is XPEL. This is a global brand which has an incredible reputation, and we don't even need him to say anything here. The results speak for themselves. Just look. If you have seen Jerry Riggs everything, I can say this is deeper grooves at level 7, and this is barely scratching the surface. You can definitely see the immense difference between all of these PPFs. So, can you tell me something about each one of them?
Okay, so first one is the Garware titanium. So usually Garware claims that this particular films carry the particular bond with you for the like lifetime warranty, but I would say it's not good as that, because let me tell you why. If your PPF is getting that this much of scratches, how can you literally expect it in extreme weather like Delhi NCR to last it for the lifetime? I don't think so. That really happens. It's just a gimmick sort of a warranty where they are just giving it just because people definitely gonna get amazed. Yeah, we are protecting our car with a lifetime warranty, but it's my humble request for all you, just don't fall for the warranty itself, because there will be a lot of retailers who will gonna claim that they are having the top brands, but they are not actually. They are just like providing you the some sort of pseudo warranties, I would say, in a Gen Z kind of a question.
Basically, you'll live a lifetime with a lot of scratches and a lot of problems. Let's see the next one now.
So the second one is Saint Gobain Sapphire Plus. So Saint Gobain is a brand who makes glasses, and it is like the origin is from France. So why this film is particularly superior than this only, and this film is a bit cheaper than this only, but this particular film carries the 8 years of warranty. But of course, this film is showing you why this particular PPF is giving you the 8 years of warranty, just because the top coat of it has engraved nano ceramic in it. So that's why it is more superior than Garwade titanium any day. Yeah, of course. When it comes to our star product, the XPEL, there was a time when XPEL used to be very premium. People were not able to afford it, but right now they have literally launched their 5-year one under one, and to be honest, it's a steel deal. You can already see they are claiming that this PPF will gonna last for 5 years. Can you guys even see? There is like barely any scratches which is currently visible on the film only. So of course, in my particular opinion and the experience I had with films, this film can like basically last even for the 8 years plus, if it gonna be, if the person will gonna take care of the PPF in a very good manner, I would say. So that's the only reason why the particular top brands like XPEL, 3M and Steck Lumar always believes in R&D, not giving a some sort of gimmicky features like lifetime warranty and like that.
Well, I am an unbiased person and I have nothing to do with any of these companies. Honestly, I don't even know them, even as a customer. So, I am going to scratch this all these PPFs with this brush, and this honestly feels like a bunch of stapling pins together. I would not rub it on my hand to even demonstrate, because this is going to leave a lot of blood. But rubbing it on this one, this is the Garwari one, leaves some scratches. Okay, on this Saint Gobain one, here also there are scratches. Trying even harder here to get the same amount of scratches, and I'm using all my force. And this one is the one of this is the one of XPEL, and the door is moving. Maybe the glass may also break, but this is eternal. This is not getting scratched. This is just, even I didn't expect this, truly.
So basically, guys, so right now we are going to test the hydrophobic properties of these three films. So you did so that you can see why these films are a bit superior and bit smooth when it comes to Garwade titanium.
Now these are the same scratched PPFs which we absolutely tried to butcher, and this is part 2 of our demonstration. There's more coming up. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the PPFs are being sprayed. The glass on which the PPF is kept on is not holding up very well. Now you can see
Guys,
the
you can
results.
already see there is some sort of like particular droplets which is like going like below to the PPF only. You can already see in Garwara you are having some sort of like water only stuck there only, just because it's not having the nano ceramic engraved. But when it comes to these two PPFs, you can already see the water is not last as that, like as comparison to the Garwara titanium.
Basically, you can see with your own eyes, and you can see this one, it's not holding up at all. This one, Saint Gobain, yeah, somewhat, but this one is very good. And mind you, these PPFs are not in pristine condition. We scratched them a lot. That may have taken out some of the coating that was there, but this one is holding up really well. This is the one of XPEL.
Smash it out.
You can see the glass behind these PPFs. It's completely untouched.
Okay. So this one is your Garwara titanium.
So you could see how easily he tore it apart. Now we'll do it for the Saint Gobain.
So now more stretchability is better.
Yes, sir.
This is, oh, that took some effort. So now we are going to try XPEL. I honestly don't know what to expect. Oh, you got to start hitting the gym.
Variants are only carries the microns of 200, but we have to see at the manufacturing what kind of TPU material they are using. So that decides the strength of the PPS. If we will going to go beyond 200 microns, you will going to see there is some sort of layer applied on your PPF on the corners of your car. That's the only reason brands like XPEL 3M only carries the microns, not go beyond 200 microns, I would say. That's the reason.
As you could see through these demonstrations, my eyes were open and I'm sure your eyes were too. Now we'll get to which one we'll choose. This was the end of the demonstration. So these are the pre-cut PPF. So as you know, the XUV 7XO has lots of black, glossy black elements. So this is to protect them from looking terrible. So these are all the pre-cut PPFs. And this is of which company?
From tint and orange.
Tint and orange. So this will help keep your car in pristine condition. Now 2 days later, we are here back at the Wheelsforce studio and we have applied the XPEL PPF. It was that PPF which didn't get scratched even though we tried a lot. And we also put ceramic coating that was included in the package for the PPF. So ceramic coating is done on all the glass and plastic elements. And inside the car, we have put pre-cut PPF. So now our car looks amazing and at the same time is well protected against Indian roads. The total cost was 97,500. So if you want to do the PPF for your car too, be sure to come here. They do really good work and we'll see how this PPF holds up and only time will tell. We have a 5-year warranty with this. Well, so that was the end of the video and all the details of the PPF which we bought are in the description box below. So do check them out. The car is parked down there as you can see. And I'll keep posting updates on how this PPF holds up. Also, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye and thanks for watching.